Oh, poor sweetie. How are we gonna get you out? What are we gonna call you? What's gonna be your name? Your name is gonna be Licorice. Licorice poo, right? Licorice coo, anise coo. Want to hang out? You gotta stay back, okay? Because she's a little bit curious, and she might kick. She wants to play soccer. You want to play soccer or football? No, 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 no. Oh, you want some water? Oh. I give it to you. I give it to you. It's okay. Here. Come. No, no. Here. Here, come. Want some? Just water.
Just water.
Benjamin, go fill this.
Want one?
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's saying. This is by far the coolest. Mom had a visitor, and your visitor is so cute. Just don't let her go out the gate, Chris. Oh, look, she's so excited. Look at her. I know. Look, she followed me like this too.
Here she comes. Look out, Steven. Don't let her run into you.
She's so excited. She just wants to play.
Don't. She can give you a kick.
Yeah. Go on the swing. Go on the swing and leave her alone.
That's a big animal.
It's okay. It's okay. She's excited. She's a kid too, right? I know. Steven, don't get close, okay? Oh, vaca. Oh, baby água. Go. Over there.
Over here. Come.
Does it taste good? Steven? Be careful, Steven. Don't go by her feet. Always stay in front of her. Bebo agua. She's a kid. She just wants to run just like you guys.